Hello everyone, welcome to Petpooja Payroll tutorials. While setting up attendance permission in payroll in our previous video, we learned how to turn on Geo Fencing for employees. But where exactly are they allowed to punch in from? That's what we set up today. Head to the Employees section on the left panel and click Manage Branch. All your branches linked to this dashboard will appear here. Find the branch you want to configure. Hit the three-dot menu on the right and click Edit. The Modify Branch panel opens. Scroll to the bottom, you'll see Geo Fencing details. This is where you pin the exact location your employees need to be at when punching in. To get the coordinates, open Google Maps, search your location, right-click the pin and copy the coordinates. Paste them into the latitude and longitude fields. If you need more help, the dashboard also has a built-in guide. Click How to find latitude and longitude and pick your device type. Set your allowed radius, anywhere up to 200 meters. Hit Save Changes. Your geofencing location is now set, and your team can only punch in from exactly where you want them to. Go ahead and set this up for each of your branches today. More Petpooja Payroll tutorials are on the way.